Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Bruce Sia, Asia #1 home-based business coach, speaking to you from my home-based business office in Singapore. This video is share this video to grow rich. The title of this video, share this video to grow rich. And how rich do you want to be? It depends on you, right? Different stroke for different folks. What are your expectations? There are people who come into this business to earn an extra $300 to $1,000 or more a month. And there are the serious one, we call them the business builder, who come into the business to earn $3,000 to $10,000 or more a month. And the very serious one, those that think big and have this burning desire, they come in to earn $30,000 to $100,000 or more a month. It's all possible. It all depends on your level of commitment and how well connected you are. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Who are the powerful people you can bring into your team? If you can bring in successful doctors, very credible people, multi-millionaires, successful entrepreneurs, influencers, celebrities, they have a large following, your business will grow by leaps and bounds, and in 1 to 3 years you can earn your first million in network marketing. I speak from 31 years of experience in network marketing, and this is my signature statement. I know the business like the palm of my hand, and 25 years in digital marketing, and I invested over $10,000 to learn digital marketing and invested over $100,000 in the gold mine between my years. So I'm committed, and I'm giving you the success formula right now. Commitment is what separates the man from the boys, those who succeed from those who fail. And the time frame, whether you want to take 1 to 3 years or 3 to 5 years, again, it's up to you. Let me briefly introduce myself. It's very important to establish credibility, especially for those who are watching my video for the first time. Why I'm qualified to teach you what I'll be teaching. I'm the author of 5 books on network marketing. 5 books on network marketing. And 3 of my best-selling books, they're all sold out. Break Free, There is a Better Way to Earn a Living. First edition sold out. Second edition sold out. And Why Network Marketing sold out too. And How to Be Successful in Network Marketing. So 3 books all sold out. I'm now looking for a good network marketing company to republish them, and I'll donate 100% of the royalty fees to feed hungry children, to build wells, to provide clean drinking water, and to support organizations that are stopping child trafficking. These are my paid forward projects. Recently, I met Jason, the CEO of Gines Global. So the next round I meet him, I will give him an irresistible offer, and I'll be the spokesman for the company. And these are excellent door openers for the Gines Global distributors. I'm now a network marketing consultant, international trainer, and keynote speaker. But I love to do this business, and I've trained and inspired thousands, starting from Singapore, then Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Nigeria, USA, Philippines, Hong Kong, New Zealand, Cambodia, 12 countries. And with God's blessing, I'll be training the people in China, India, and Uzbekistan soon. So you learn how to work with 5 powerful universal laws. And if you want my books, these are collector's item. I have 2 paperbacks at Amazon. Just go to Amazon, key my name, Bruce Sia, How to Make Your First Million in Network Marketing, and 108 Success Tips on Network Marketing. So when I get on stage, I often ask this important question. If I'm the key factor to help you earn your first million in network marketing, how much will you give me? And there are many generous people. Many say 10%, 100,000. Some say 30%, 300,000. And some even say 50%, $500,000 they're willing to give me. So I've got an irresistible offer for you. Keep your hundreds of thousands of dollars. Just invest US $19.97. Same price for each book. Delivered to your doorstep. Whatever proven success in principles that I've applied to earn my first million in network marketing, I shared them with you in these 2 paperbacks. So there are no secrets. So when you share this video, You will grow rich in many ways. I mentioned the 5 powerful universal laws. You'll be working with these 5 powerful universal laws to guarantee your success. The law of cause and effect. What you sow, you shall reap. What goes around comes around in your business and life. I will share more at my free trading sessions. So very important, the law of cause and effect. What you sow, you shall reap. What goes around comes around in your business and your life. Then the law of attraction. What you constantly think and feel passionate about, you create a powerful magnetic force that will attract certain people, events, and things to your life to help you get what you want. Isn't that wonderful? Then the law of giving and receiving. The more you give, the more you receive. Is that so difficult to understand? So when you keep on sharing the video with as many people as possible, you're giving, because sharing is loving, caring, and giving. The more you give, the more you receive. Then the law of averages. You must do enough and do it long enough to get whatever you want in life. So when you keep on sharing this video with as many people as possible, you're working with the law of averages. Some will, some won't next. Different strokes for different folks. Although this wonderful business is for everyone, not everyone is for it. Could be many factors. Either they are not ready for it, or they close their mind to it. It's not something that they like to do. Like I say, not everyone wants to be a doctor, dentist, lawyer, or accountant, isn't it? Different strokes for different folks. So just keep on sharing. Then the law of multiplication. In this wonderful business, all you need is a few good business builders to help you build an organization of thousands of people, and that can happen for you in 1 to 3 years. So share this video to grow rich. It's that simple. And the startup capital is very low. It's a very small one-time investment of less than US $2,000 in any business builder package of excellent health supplements, skincare, hair care products at wholesale prices. Millions worldwide have invested 100,000 to $1 million or more to start their conventional or franchise business. That's commitment. 100,000 to $1 million or more. Now, for a very small one-time investment of less than US $2,000 in any business builder package, you can build a simple 24/7 global business in 140 countries with offices in 40 countries to support you. Imagine investing and creating the structure and having 40 offices in 40 countries. It costs you many millions of dollars. And what's your investment? Less than US $2,000. And if that's a challenge, go for the basic package, less than US $200. So what's your excuse? Most people can afford it. And even if that's a challenge, you can go for as little as US $49.95 if you live in the USA, or US $29.95 in other countries for a full year. And you can earn 2 streams of income. When people go to your powerful e-commerce website to purchase product, you can earn $30 or more depending on which product they buy. And if they buy the packages because they want to enjoy the bulk discount or because they want to do the business, you can earn the bonuses from the packages ranging from US $25 to US $250. And what was your investment? $49.95 or $29.95. And you can earn that streams of income for a full year. Of course, if you want to earn up to 6 streams of income, then get the business builder or basic package. If you have the money, lead by example, get the business builder package. Because this business is driven by business builders, and you want to attract business builders, and they'll ask you which package you start with, and you can tell them you are serious about building the business, and that's why you got the business builder package, and they will follow you. This business is all about leading by example. The best form of leadership is to lead by example. So take action. You're learning from someone that has written 5 books on network marketing, and whatever options you have chosen. If you live in Singapore, I have a full day Create Wealth System seminar, 11:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. held at Gines Global Office, and that is worth US $970, and you can attend for free. And you live in other countries, I have my 12 weekly 2-hour Zoom webinars to support you, to teach you exactly how to earn your first million in network marketing. So take action. Click on the link, join my Gines Global team, and remember, love, learn, leverage, and live your dream, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Take care, take action, and God bless you. Bye-bye.